Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about geometric sequence. This maths is intended for grade 10. I have here the application of geometric sequence. The problem: 12 government employees failed their statements of assets and liabilities, or SALIN. Their net worth defined as assets minus liabilities are in geometric sequence. Now the condition is, if the first employee has a net worth of 1,000 pesos, the second has a net worth of 2,000 pesos, the third has a net worth of 4,000 pesos, and so on. Now the question is, how many of them are millionaires? So there are 12 employees. So we have now given, we have n equals 12. And then the first employee has 1,000. Then second is 2,000. And the third net worth is, this is 4,000. So if this is 12, n equals 12, so let's start from 1,000. Then next is 2,000. The third is 4,000. So I need to find out the ratio. So how to solve the ratio? Ratio 1 is equal to 2,000, or let's start with the formula. So R1 is equals to, this is my A1, this is my A2, and then this is A3. So R1 will be A2 over A1. Then A2 is 2,000. A1 is 1,000. This one will be crossed out. The 30 will be crossed out. So I have 2 over 1. Oh, this will be equal to 2. So my R1 is equals to 2. How about R2? Let us prove that R1 is equals to R2. So this will be A3 divided by A2. So A3 is 4,000 divided by 2,000. Cross out. The 3 zeros will be crossed out. Then I have 4 over 2. Then my R2 is equals to 2. Same with R1. So therefore, R1 is equals to R2. So I have now my ratio. So this will be R is equals to 2. So the formula is AN, or the last term. So I have A1 times R raised to N minus 1. So what is my A1? That is 1,000. Then my ratio is 2. Then raised to the power of N. This will be N minus 1. So 1,000. This is 2. My N is 12 and then minus 1. So this is 1,000. 2 raised to 11. So 2 raised to 11, that will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32. So times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again, this is 32. Then I need 1 times 2. So what is 32 times 32? So this will be 4. 6, 6, 9, 4, 12, carry 1, that is 10, 24. And then last is 10, 24 times 2. So this is 8, 4, 0, 2. So I have 2048. So 2 raised to 11th power is equal to 2048. And then I need to multiply in here. So 1000 times 2048. So this will be 1000 times 2048. I will make it bigger. So 1000 times 2048. So this will be 0, 0, 0, and then this is 8. Then 0, 0, 0, 4. Next is 0, 0, 0, 0. Then the last will be 0, 0, 0, then this is 2. So bring down 0, 0, 0, this is 8, 4, 0, 2. So 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3. So I have my final answer for this application is 2,048,000. So this is now your last term of 12 employees. So there are 12 employees and then 2,048,000 pesos. Now let us check, since we know that my common ratio is 2. So this is start from 1,000. Then this will be 2,000. Then this is 4,000 until 12. So this will be multiply. So 4,000 times 2. So this will be 8,000. Then multiply times 2. This is 16,000. This is A1. This is A2, A3 until A12, A4, A5. Now, take note, the last will be, this will be our AN. AN is 12 because 12 terms, right? A12 equals 2,048,000. So we are now A5. So this one will be multiplied by 2. So 16,000 times 2. So this is 0, 0, 0. And we know that this is 32,000. So A6 is 32,000. A6. And then multiply by 2. So this is 64,000. So this is now A7. Then for A sub 8, so 64,000 times 2. So this will be 0, 0, 0, 8. This is 128,000. So for A sub 8 is 128,000. 128,000 A sub 8. How about A sub n? A sub n 9, I mean. So A sub 9. So let us multiply. So 128,000 times 2. So this will be 0, 0, 0, 16, carry 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 1 times 2 is 2. So I have 256,000. Then A sub 10. We are almost finished. So this will be A sub 10. So A sub 10 is 256 times 2. 256,000 times 2. So this will be 0, 0, 0, 12, carry 1. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1, 11, carry 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So 512,000. Then A sub 11. Then 512,000 times 2. 512,000 times 2. So 0, 0, 0. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. So I have 1,024,000. Then the last, which is A sub 12. Take note, we should be the same with A12 of my answer. So 1,024,000 times 2. So this will be 0, 0, 0. This is 8. This is 4, 0. 1 times 2 is 2. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I have 2,048,000. So that's my answer. So the same with the computation. So this is only for checking. So that's all.